Welcome on the bold topics, and I am Anandamai. No one knows when someone's luck will shine in politics and when their good luck will fail. Politics is such a pond where everyone wants to go. Those who have seen abundance of money in their life once the desire to go into the politics corridors starts stirring in their mind. In such a situation, those who have a strong political base, they can go to this land. Why miss out on taking advantage of this? In the Lok Sabha series, Kaun Marega Baji, today we will talk about Sasaram Lok Sabha seat. Sasaram Lok Sabha seat is considered a high profile seat. Meera Kumar has been the MP from the who was defeated by Cheri Paswan. Meera Kumar is the daughter of India's first Dalit Deputy Prime Minister, Jagjivan Ram. Jagjivan Ram's name had also come up in the race to become the Prime Minister. He was also a member of the Constituency Assembly. Meera Kumar is the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha. Lotus has been blooming on this Lok Sabha seat for 2 consecutive terms. This time also there are strong preparation for the lotus to bloom from here. But the face has changed. Cheri Paswan, on whom BJP was expressing confidence for a long time, got his ticket clear after this statement when Nitish Kumar once again joined hands with BJP in the month of January. Cheri Paswan has said he would not contest anywhere for the post. They can come, so they are coming with us, and the feel of politics turned in such a way that now they themselves jumped from BJP to Congress to they can come, so now they are coming with us, and the feel of politics turned in such a way that now they themselves jumped from BJP to Congress to register their victory in the election field. He also has full confidence. He has won from here twice in a row. Meera Kumar is a big name for Sasaram. She has tested defeated to him, and he himself had also said that only he can defeat him. In 2014, Modi way. Before this, Cheri Paswan had been with Janata Dal and JDU. Cheri Paswan won the legislative election for the first time in the year 1985. After completing for this MLA, they want to take their luck one step further, and here also they got victory. In 1989, he became an MP. Then in 1991, 2014 and 2019, Air established its foothold in politics by winning the election of MP. Now Congress has trusted on this established route. When BJP refused to give ticket, the door of Congress and the Congress which was pierced, Paswan was giving the test of defeat for the last 2 times, whereas now he has intensified his approach to ensure his victory. Here Congress is also pinning hopes on the victory of the face who had defeated them. This time the handprint on the same face can make it proud in front of BJP. But this election game is not so easy. BJP has also placed its bet on a very powerful girl. An IPS officer contested the Lok Sabha election for the first time in the year 1996 and won. Then he faced competition from Janata Dal's Cheri Paswan. In the 1998 election, Munilal defeated RJD's Ram Kesari Bharti. For the 3rd time in the year 1999, Munilal faced Ram Kesari Bharti. For the 4th time, also BJP declared Munilal as its candidate in the Lok Sabha of the year 2004. But Munilal had to be defeated in this election. Meera Kumar from Congress won with a much larger vote bank than him. He got around 1 lakh votes and Meera got 4 lakh votes. For the 5th time, BJP made Munilal its candidate. He once again faced competition from sitting MP Meera Kumar. This time also Munilal was defeated. Now BJP has given ticket to his son Sivesh Ram. Those who have the political legacy given by their father and a strong ground prepared for them. Sivesh Ram is of very humble nature. Apart from this, he is well aware of the pulse of politics. Devesh Ram, he is the General Secretary in Bihar BJP. He has also been an MLA from BJP. He held various positions in various organizations of Bihar BJP. He has also worked in the national team of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Apart from this, he is also associated with many strong organizations. He has appealed to Nitish Kumar to campaign if he gets to ticket. He had also appealed to extend cooperation and support to Cheri Paswan on getting the ticket. He thanked the BJP High Command and said that he gave her chance to a work like me to contest the Lok Sabha election. In BJP, grassroots leaders are prompted. Devesh Ram has also talked about living up to the expectation of the party and the people of Sasaram. Let us tell you that this is a reserved Lok Sabha seat. On one side, there are many times MPs in the fray, and on the other side, there is inherited political land. Hence, this fight of Sasaram has become very interesting for the public also. Whom do you trust? Should the current MP be made MP again, or should a new MP be given a chance to become MP? What do you think? Who will win? Who will be the MP of Sasaram? What is your opinion? Give comment, like, share and subscribe the channel.